In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a report in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing tasks or trying to get a clear overview of your team's progress, creating reports in Wrike is a great way to stay organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access Wrike by logging into your account. It's simple, just head over to the Wrike login page. Once you're there, click on the Login button, which will lead you to a variety of login options. If you've signed up using your Google account, as many people do, you can simply click on the Google option. Then select your account from the list provided. This makes the sign-in process quicker and more secure. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the Wrike workspace. Look to the left panel to find the More option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with further options, helping you navigate to the areas required for creating your report. Next, you'll want to select the Reports option. However, a quick heads up here, accessing reports is a feature that may require a specific license. If you haven't upgraded yet, you'll see a prompt to do so. Upgrading your license is essential if you want to take advantage of Wrike's robust reporting features. Now let's say upgrading isn't something you want to do right now. No worries. An alternative would be to create an analytics view directly in your project. To do that, click on your project from the Wrike dashboard. This will bring you directly to all the information relevant to that particular project. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the All drop-down menu located at the top part of the page. From there, you can create an analytics view. This customized analytics view offers a great alternative, giving you the ability to break down project data without needing a report license. After selecting to create an analytics view, click on Analytics to view your newly created insights. This tool allows you to generate graphical interpretations of your data, helping you track progress, spot trends, and ultimately make informed decisions based on current projects. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a report or use analytics in Wrike to suit your project management needs. Whether you've upgraded to use reports or you've chosen to use analytics within your projects, you now have the tools to enhance your strategic planning and oversight. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to explore Wrike's features further to take full advantage of all it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.